Yes, we will make CLC Edema Bataringen using additional ingredients, namely the new Boostator additive. Its function is to harden, accelerate hardening, stabilize a form and also make the surface harder and shiny, not dull. Yes, the ingredients we will use are. In making this CLC edema, it consists of 3 types, namely Spec 8 grams, a Stronger Edema 8 grams and then Boostator 15 grams. The way other ingredients are 3 kilos of cement and 5 kilos of sand 4 kilos. Then 3 liters of water. First we put in Spectafoam Edema. Then we put in Stronger Edema and we stir it until a palm foams. Maximally, approximately about 2 minutes. After that we will be able to put in sand, yes, 4 kilos, then we put in cement 3 kilos, yes, and then we stir. Yes, after that we put in Boostator, yes, 15 gr and we stir continuously until volume 212L or the depth of this bucket is about 14 centimeters from the top, yes, stir after mixed evenly we will put it into a mold that has been lubricated by lubricating oil, yes, used oil, and you can see this is the result, which is approximately 2 days old, yes, and he is not bloodless, rubbed by hand, and is hard and the surface is like ceramic, yes, the pores look mic a micro and uniform, yes, in this specific gravity of 500 is still hard. Yes, well. Yes, this is the advantage of adding additives. Boostator, yes, is very worth trying and gives extraordinary results. Even with a specific gravity of 500 it can be hard. Yes, this is the effect of adding Boostator in the surface of Joni's Bataringen is shiny and hard, yes, not bloodic, and anti-shrinkage. So once again, please, ladies and gentlemen, prove it yourself that the Boss Tattoo Edema makes making CLC lightweight bricks very easy. Please prove it yourself. Greetings of health. Greetings lightweight bricks. Greetings Edema.